welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're probably wondering, whoa, what's going on? So much is different. I have finally moved into my new place, and thankfully with this place I can actually have a permanent setup. So I was able to, you know, put up my camera, leave up my lights, and actually have natural lighting, which is gorgeous and beautiful. And also have a couple of my decor things in the back and not have to worry about taking them down and moving them or them being in the way. So I'm very, very thankful. You have probably also noticed the new intro and stuff, and I just want to kind of touch base on that a little bit. So I have just graduated from my university and I finished up my last class that I needed and everything. It was stressful, but so worth it. So I now have a bit more time and I want to do more with this channel, and especially now that it is growing a bit more. I have wanted for a very long time to not just focus on beauty when it comes to makeup. Makeup is only one part of beauty. You know, there is inner and outer beauty. So the way you feel on the inside, the things that you do in your daily life to make yourself feel beautiful or make yourself feel confident or comfortable in your own skin are very, very important and are things that I have learned definitely over time. I have wanted to share some of those things with you guys and maybe delve into some new series or new topics and stuff. So even though the next couple videos are still going to be similar to what I've done before, because I am still doing my regular Ipsy and for right now Goddess Provisions, it might be a little too pricey for me soon. I do want to start doing different types of videos and also trying to share a little bit more of my life with you guys. So stay tuned for more stuff coming up shortly. And also I am about to hit my 1 year on YouTube, so I will be having a special video coming out for that as well. So for the remainder of this video, I am going to be opening this August Ipsy bag. It's a little hard to say for there a second. So let's just go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so for this month, Ipsy has done a very, like a peachy orange colored bag with a yellow piping and yellow zipper, as well as a little tassel. It's a very simple and cute bag. And before I get into this, I had one item that was actually in the bag loosely, and it is a brush for this month, and it looks similar to something I've had before. You can tell because there's little rhinestones like on the front of it. Okay, and this brush is from SLMISSGLAM, which I can tell from the back. It's got their signature, and also Miss Glam has the 2 jewels that they usually put on here. So this one has a clear handle with a bunch of like a pink glitter suspended in it, a gold end with the 2 pink rhinestones and the fluffy top, which is very soft. Okay, and now on into the bag. Let's see, Glow 2 highlighter from CIATÉ, London. It says illuminating powder highlighter in the color Moondust. I do like the packaging on this, it's very pretty. Says high intensity light reflection, amplifies your natural radiance, buildable, blendable, and texture. Okay. Oh yeah, it's just a little pan in here. I do kind of wish that they were able to put it like actually in a cover of some sort, because it's just this really cheap plastic like coating in a sense. Okay, well they technically glued it in the plastic piece, but I wanted to pull it out for you guys so you can see. It's a very, very soft pigment, but that is the size. It's very, very thin. It's pink, it has glitter. Go ahead and do a swatch for you guys. Ooh, there's the highlight. That is really, really pretty, but it's so pink. I don't know how much I'll get use out of it, but it's gorgeous. Okay, next item we have by Hey Honey. It's Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. I love getting masks and stuff like that from Ipsy because those are things that are so fun to just try out. And if you don't like it, it's not a big deal because they're only sample sizes. It says it exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama. It's for all skin types. Very simple packaging. And since this is a mask, I won't be trying this on, but I do want to smell it because I'm weird. It smells very perfumey. It's very nice. It's not too strong. Okay, next item. Ooh, I really like the packaging on this because it looks like a cartoon. It's from THEBALM Cosmetics. Foiled again, foil eyeshadow. The Bomb Girl catches your eye. I get it. So it's like a superhero and she's holding up a guy and the shirt says your eye. I get it, I get it, I get it. And I'm guessing this one is called Locked Up. Ooh. See, like this packaging is nice. You know what, I'm just gonna straight swatch this one because it's a little hard to figure out what color this is. I think it's like a silver. Yeah, I guess silver. It's got like a slight purple, like pearlescent color to it, but it's very shiny. This is, oh, this would be so gorgeous as like an inner eye cut crease color, or even inner eye highlight in a sense. Yeah, it almost looks copper on camera, but yeah, it's like a very light purple. So yeah, so this is the highlight from earlier, and then this is the color swatch of the eyeshadow. Okay, and the last item that we have for this month's Ipsy is in a little bit of bubble wrap. It says PIXI by PETRA. Ooh, this is big. Some things I receive, I'm like, are these really sample sizes? Like really? The packaging is very nice. I love the light green. It says it's a fresh face blush in Beach Rose. I actually like the pigment of this. It's not too pink. I don't really like too pink of blushes on my skin tone. It just makes me look really, really rosy, kind of like a cartoon character. They even pressed their brand name into the product, which I think is cute. I'm like swiping around it for the swatch because I don't want to mess up the press that they have. Oh, I messed up a little bit. Just the pee. I like that color a lot. Right here is the swatch for the blush. It's a very, very pretty color, and also it's pigmented. Okay, that is all I have for this month's Ipsy. I hope you guys are excited for the new things that are going to be coming up, and also for my new little layout. I hope it's a little bit more exciting and a little bit better. And also the lighting, I love the lighting right now. I have natural lighting. I'm not in a basement anymore. It's so nice. So as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, then please subscribe. Thank you.